put in a ramp, don't you?
Do I know how to put in a ramp? Do I know how to put in a ramp?
Do you?
Of course I do. They don't call me Ramp Guy for nothing. I can build big ramps, little ramps, long ramps, short ramps. Ramps are very important to people like you.
I know.
You want a ramp? Call the Ramp Guy. No job too small, no job too big. I'm an expert.
Great.
I build ramps in libraries. I build ramps in restaurants. I build ramps in post offices. Yep. Anywhere you got steps, I build ramps.
So, could we start putting it in?
Oh, certainly, certainly. Just gotta measure the exact size ramp you'll need here. Zabba-zee. Zabba. Aha! No problemo. I've got the exact size ramp you'll need out in my truck.
Really?
Yep, I'll go get it, and in a few minutes, you can zoom right up into that building. Yep. So, talk amongst yourselves. I'll be right back.
Oh, I'll give you a hand.
All right.
Tara, I've been meaning to ask you something. Are you in this chair all the time?
All the time? No. I'm not in my chair when I sleep in my bed.
Oh, yeah, of course. you couldn't put a chair into your bed, would you?
I get out of my chair when I have to use the bathroom or I take a bath.
That makes sense.
When I eat dinner with my family, I sit in a regular kitchen chair.
Of course.
When I do my homework or watch TV or play with my friends, I sit on the floor. I only use my chair when I go someplace.
Yeah, like into the dance studio.
Right.
Which you can do right now. Here's your ramp. Why don't you give it a try?
Wow. Look at that.
This is wonderful. There she goes. What do you think?
Hey, it's perfect!
Thanks, ramp guy.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh, you're the best ramp guy.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks a lot.
You're
Come
welcome.
on, Selena, we got an aerobics class.
You're right. You lead the way.
Hey, works for me too.